The market theme Nifty bulls may be aiming hard to float in green, but we suspect only trouble and misery could lie ahead. Honestly speaking, if Friday's trading session is any indication, then Nifty may have finally started to outperform its global peers after years of lagging behind. But that said, today's headline pessimism on the front pages would be a real test for Nifty bulls. Oil pulse and the biggest headline, WTI oil prices stays firm near $105 a barrel. The other major headlines: 1. Fear of prolonged Strait of Hormuz tensions. Iranian media reported on Sunday that the United States offered no tangible concessions in its latest response to Tehran's proposed agenda for negotiations aimed at ending the war that began with joint US-Israeli strikes on 28 February and has remained paused since 28 April. 2. Heightening fears of imported inflation and pressure on India's fiscal balance. 3. A sharp depreciation in the Indian rupee, touching a record low at 96.14 per dollar. 4. FIIs dumped 13,584 crore rupees in the week gone by. 5. Technically, Nifty below 50, 100 and 200 DMA. The only one big positive catalyst. 1. FIIs were net buyers in Friday's trade. Our call of the day: any of Nifty's intraday recovery could turn to dust on backdrop of sharp drop in global indices on apprehension that major central banks across globe could keep interest rates higher for longer, or even consider further hikes if price pressures intensify. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In Friday's negative session, FIIs bought to the tune of Rs 1,329 crores, while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1,959 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bearish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are suggesting some massive consolidation play. FNO month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index, has cooled near 18.79 levels. At last check, USD INR, May, has spiked near 95.84 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th May, is at 1.02 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.77. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.44. Midcap Nifty is at 1.22. Nifty outlook: Nifty could drop sharply lower, with a strong possibility that the psychological 24,000 mark may be a major hurdle to crack. The technical structure has shifted to cautious. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23,644. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,262 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,450 and 23,900. Bias for the day is negative. Sensex, CMP 75,238. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 74,100 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 76,000 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 74,000 to 76,000. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 53,710. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 53,191 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 54,500 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 53,000 and 54,000. Bias for the day is negative. Stock market news. The Gyan mantra is to stay nimble and light on leveraged long positions, as the risk of a mini crash cannot be ruled out. We say so because Dalal Street could get swept up in a sell-off as Trump's China visit fails to pry open the Strait of Hormuz. Strictly speaking, sentiment was actually hit after Prime Minister Narendra Modi urged citizens to adopt austerity measures in response to the ongoing US-Iran conflict, including 1. Cutting fuel consumption. 2. Avoiding non-essential gold purchases. 3. Limiting foreign travel. Stocks in spotlight. The Q4 FY26 earnings season has reached its fag end. Key corporates to announce their results are: Monday, 18th May 2026. Astral, IOC, IGL, Zydus Well. Tuesday, 19th May 2026. BPCL, Pinged.